Good afternoon, dear participants. Welcome to our English event. It's called English 1 Great Britain's Christmas tradition. All the children play one game. It's very fascinating to children. That's why today we will try to repeat this game. To play this game, you should follow the instructions. There are some clues. You should find these clues and they are throughout the school, on the walls of our school, on the second floor and the first floor. That's why you should find more X. You can do it. Okay? So that's why I wish you good luck. You should find clues. After that, you read the clue. Then, while reading the clues, you should find all X.
Бақшасын.
And the sister. So guys, participants, you have one assistant. They should record your actions with videos and photos. Then the ball is I'm going to show the classroom.
Bana hay az X var T. Ya. Ham al hiç of T var.
You can see the students out mask.
Let me see.